might have received these promotional WhatsApp messages. And do you think that businesses are sending these messages manually? No. They simply set up a broadcast campaign to do this. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also set up this broadcast campaign. But while setting up the broadcast campaign, there is a risk of getting banned. So in this video, I'll show you how you can schedule broadcast messages without even the risk of the ban too. Okay, so let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Because Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, this is the reason why your number is not going to get blocked or flagged. So yes, you can see that you can try Pabbly Chatflow from free right over here. And once you try Pabbly Chatflow for free and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and let's see how to set this broadcast up. So first of all, you can try this for free. So just open your dashboard and over here you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, the video tutorial is given in the description box below. You can refer to that and learn how to add your WhatsApp number. Now from the left hand of the side, you have to come on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Once you click on this add broadcast button, you have to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. Now you have to name this broadcast. So I am just going to name this broadcast as new bulk messages right over here. You can name it according to your own choice. Okay, so I'm just going to name it as new bulk messages. Let's move on further. It is asking me to select the contact list. In order to select the contact list, you first have to create the contact list. For that, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section and from here you can create the contact list, add the contacts in your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want more detail on this, a video tutorial related to the contact section and not only contact section but each section of Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and learn how to add contacts and also how to manage contact list inside Pabbly Chatflow. I've already created the list, so I'm just going to select the same right over here. You can select multiple lists right over here too. If you want, you can only select a single list too. Apart from that, you can also refine the audience. You can exclude the contact list right over here. You can also exclude the specific contacts over here, and apart from that, you can also exclude the contacts in last 24-hour active conversation window. So why this? So what is going to happen is, first of all, when you're going to switch on this toggle button, it is going to skip contacts who message you within the last 24 hours. Why? Because so that they didn't receive a reductant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. Just imagine that you are chatting with an AI chatbot or with an agent and you receive this reductant broadcast. So you will also feel that why I'm receiving this reductant broadcast in between a conversation. So that's very important that you switch on this toggle button over here. It totally depends upon you if you want to or not. I'm just going to switch it on. So let's just move on further. It is saying select message types. Over here you have two options, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So over here, if you want to choose a pre-approved template message, you have to create one. From the left hand of the side, go on this template list section. From here you can simply create a template, okay, and then simply select it. But you have to make sure that the Meta approves your template before selecting it right over here. Once Meta approves your template, you can select the template directly from here. Apart from that, you can also go for the regular message. You just have to select the message type and type the message over here. So I'm just going to simply type my message, which is this. So let's just copy this message and paste it right over here. In this message, I want to bold some text. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to add stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold. So as you can see, I want to bold this amount of text. So I'm just going to simply add the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which I want to bold. Okay, so now after completing the formatting of this message, let's just move on further. It is saying username and the mobile number. So we have, why is it asking me for these details? So before sending this broadcast to multiple clients and users at once, what you can do is you can test this broadcast yourself. Before sending it to all, you just wanted to check that if it is correct or not, then you can simply enter the username and the mobile number using which you want to test this broadcast. So click on this send test message and it is saying test broadcast broadcast sent. So let's just open our WhatsApp. We have received this WhatsApp message. It looks completely fine and we can send it to all the clients. Okay, so for that, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply move on further and schedule this broadcast. So you have two options of sending this broadcast. You can send it instantly, so you can click on this no send instantly and then add button, and then this broadcast will be sent instantly. The second option is that you can schedule this for later. So when you go on this here schedule for later and then select the calendar right over here, you can schedule this broadcast for later. It totally depends upon you, the date and time. I'm just going to schedule this broadcast for 10th of June 1 p.m. So I'm just going to select the same and click on this add broadcast button. Now once again you have to click on this add broadcast button. This broadcast is scheduled for 10th of June 2026 1 p.m. And now once this broadcast is sent, I can further go and view the stats of this broadcast. How many were sent, how many were delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. You can also see the chart. You can also export the data right over here. It totally depends upon you. You can check the status, you can check the live, scheduled, failed, stopped and paused broadcast to right over here directly. So go and try this amazing setup yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, which means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. So go and try this, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. And further, if you have any doubts, my team is definitely going to help you out. You can drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.